Hello everyone, I welcome you all in my new video. So in this video we'll see the analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let's start the analysis for Nifty first. So if we talk about the Nifty, so this is the 15-minute time frame. So as you all know that we are seeing a sharp selling in the market because the inflation data is not at all good. So we can see still more kind of fall in the market. So it's preferable that we don't go long until and unless we look for or we get a reversal. So if we talk about tomorrow's Nifty level, so as you can see here, we have got a very big huge gap here because market today opened almost 2.5% gap down. And if you know about the Friday level, so Friday already market has given that indication that it will be bearish in the coming week. So because on Friday also we closed like on the negative side, so it was already a clear indication that market will be negative. And as we see the global markets as well, the US inflation data is not at all good. So US Dow is already falling every day. So we could see the impact in the Indian market as well. So I would prefer like my view for this week will remain bearish until and unless I look for I didn't get any reversal, or I didn't get any reversal sign to entry in long position in the intraday level. So talking about the intraday level, so tomorrow if we talk about the level, so as you can see 15,800 is the Nifty levels, which we can see as the immediate resistance for tomorrow. So this is the immediate resistance 15,800. So if we talk about this one, and on the lower side, so if we talk on the support side, so still 680 levels are holding strong for on the support side, but still we can see, so now we have a big gap here. So 16,000 levels will be a big point for Nifty to cross again, and so that we can look for any long position. But if we get a still market opens at the same level tomorrow, so and is not able to sustain, so we will create a short position in Nifty. So these are the levels for Nifty what I talked about, like 15,600 is what I'm looking for on the downside, and 15,800. But still if we get like a gap down opening tomorrow, so it still can go to 15,500 level. So this is for the Nifty. Now if I talk about Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty levels are like this one. So on the shorter time frame, maybe on the 5 minutes first, I try to explain you. So as you can see that Bank Nifty almost remain in this rectangle bound range. So that's why I have marked here. And then during the closing, we could see there was a movement, but still we would not consider that movement of any going long position in Bank Nifty. Why I would say that? Because if I still talk about the intraday level, so I would see, so if I talk about the intraday, so here you can see, first let me tell you about the support level. So still 33,200 is acting as a immediate support for Bank Nifty. Once it crossed below this level, so we can see more sell off in Bank Nifty. And if we talk about this one of time frames, so as you can see here, this, so as I mentioned, so today we got a gap down opening, so here is a big gap. So still if we talk about 34,000 will now be our resistance once Bank Nifty is able to cross above this. But talking about the immediate resistance, as I mentioned, 33,800 will look for as an immediate resistance for now, because we got a opening today at this level after a gap down. So if tomorrow Bank Nifty is able to cross this level, but still we will wait for 34,000. As I mentioned, the inflation data is not at all good, and we are seeing kind of fall in all the markets. So it's better that we look for a good indicator before going along in any kind of a Nifty or Bank Nifty. But if market opens tomorrow, like Bank Nifty opens tomorrow below this level 33 400 levels, what it closed today. So if we talk about this level, so what it closed today here, 33,200 level is still. So we can again see, we can start selling from this levels, because we can still see downfall in Bank Nifty. So this is for the Bank Nifty. Now let me talk a little bit about the FINIFTY, because tomorrow we have an expiry for FINIFTY. So some of the levels I want to discuss. If you are option seller, option buyer, and you want to trade on the expiry day, so maybe. So as you can see, so we can see the Nifty is also bearish, Bank Nifty and FINIFTY is also bearish, because this is already a composition of the major stocks like HDFC Bank, HDFC. So these are the banking stocks and the finance stocks. So basically those are all down. So we can see 15,500 as a major support here, this region here, and we could see a little, as I mentioned, that there is a very low volume in FINIFTY, so you have to be very cautious before taking positions. So it will be good if you can keep your position size as low. So as you can see, so if I talk about the expiry day, so maybe 15,500 call. If tomorrow it opens around this level flat also, we can sell a 15,500 call, or anyone who have taken overnight position can take this with a proper hedge. And on the downside, I will not still prefer selling any put. But if we see any kind of reversal from here and we see it as a range bound here, so we could sell 15,200 put as well in FINIFTY. So these are the levels for FINIFTY, because the volumes are not big. So it's better we go with the short positions and with very small position sizing. So this is for the FINIFTY. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel. So thank you everyone, and see you again in my next video. Thank you.